We do three things. We do pavement marking, put all the stripes on the roads, the temporary traffic control, barrels, barricades, cones, and all that type of thing for road construction. My name is Marc Rue. I'm the president of NorthStar Safety Incorporated. We also sell safety products in our showroom. Safety vests, hard hats, anything that's sort of safety related that's used in road construction. The business is extremely seasonal. We do all this work in about 8 or 9 months since not much road work happens in the winter. I think it was 2018 when we got our first units installed. Another business in town that I knew used it and they had good experience with it, and we had a growing fleet at the time. It was obviously very expensive and we thought it'd be worth the investment to get tracking capabilities on it. We used the Premier trackers. It works good. We have the units color-coded for line of business so we can see where the trucks are, if they're where they're supposed to be on job sites throughout the day, and we also use it if there's a job that comes up. We can head somebody off if they're coming back by looking at the tracker and seeing where they are to divert them, and we can save fuel and labor. I think it's just knowing where everything is. We probably have 25 or 30 trucks, and being able to, in the busy months of the summer, know where all that stuff is currently located, bring some peace to us so we know that the trucks are out working and where they're at. Well, I don't think we use all the capabilities. We mainly use just the tracking aspects of it to know where the trucks are. We also use it, we have a reporting in there for our IFTA and IRP reporting that we do per quarter. It also makes that very fast and efficient to get that done. We had 2 trucks up in Grand Forks. It was in the fall, it was cold. The trucks were on the job site, a closed street. A person hopped in one of the trucks and took off, went through a barricade. Our guys called 911. The cops showed up soon after that. As a matter of fact, I called Razor just to get somebody on the line. It was very helpful once we got on there to realize the truck was where it was headed. We were able to convey that information to local law enforcement, and we were able to keep them on the phone, keep them updated as this pursuit happened. It went on for probably an hour, a little more, as this person fled. It was a nerve-wracking time because as I gathered the information that this person was, trying to get away at high speeds, I was just really hoping there wasn't going to be an accident where this person hit, another vehicle with other inhabitants. So it was mainly out in the country, which was thankful, and there was no other vehicles involved. So they were glad that we were able to track it, and once they were, in pursuit, they didn't really need us anymore. We're just monitoring the situation until the vehicle ended up crashing in a dirt field, I guess, at the end of the chase. Well, I think anybody that has a fleet or other expensive equipment, you want to know where it is all the time. And I think it's a really good investment to have trackers in these vehicles. So it was just one of those things that you probably can't prepare for everything. And it's the only time we've ever had a truck stolen. Hopefully it's the last time, but hope it doesn't happen again. But if it does, it's nice to be able to know where the truck's going and to pass that information on to law enforcement.